There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I be. Well, I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like I'm someone. Go, Isaac!
Shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone.
South of the equator, gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Oh, I can get used to this. Go on, lad, take it away. In a yellow and green, stick around if you see what I mean. There's a mountain top. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun. Go on, lads. So in the back, sailing along, and we won't look back. What aren't you gonna do, boy? You're not gonna look. Time flies by in a yellow and green. Stick around if you can see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you see me, you know where I'll be. Well, I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like I'm someone. Yeah, I'll be riding shotgun. Amazing, these hoverboards. Got another one on order for the big boy. Peace out, baby. If you like his video, give a big thumbs up on the comments below.
Not in the comments below.
Oh.
Like, say, if you like Isaac's video, like and subscribe.
Yes, my love.
If